So come and join me for a little walking tour. I'm going to check out the back streets in Salou and see what's going on. So point of reference, right behind me is the H10 Dolphin. And what we're going to do, we're just going to walk around these streets here behind me. I'll walk around and just walk around the block, so there'll be not really any continuity to it, but it'll just give you an idea what to expect if you're coming here looking for bars and restaurants more on the back street than rather than going down on the main strip itself. So come on, let's go check the place out. So point of reference is, as I've just said, the H10 Dolphin. There's loads of these rental car properties here. We're actually staying in one ourselves, but they seem to be absolutely all over the place. So let's go and find out what's going on. Yeah, these tend, I think, price-wise, these rental car are very, very good value for money. Ours is really good. We've got 2 bedrooms. We're staying more that way, closer towards the beach, and I think we're paying about, I think it's about 200 quid, 220 quid for 4 nights for 2 of us, and we've got our own room, microwave, huge fridge, massive veranda. So yeah, really good value. So you might want to check those out if you're thinking of staying here. Fox and Hounds restaurant. Quite busy. I can definitely smell bacon. I think people are getting the full English on this morning. There we go, 4.50. Very reasonable. That's the Dolphin across the road. Nice and handy having a supermarket opposite. The old brown cow. Yeah, again, I'll just flit over to the A-boards to give you an idea of what they do and all the prices. Robin Hood Bar and Grill. And next door we've got the Heineken House. Not the footy going on this evening. Hola. 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 I've made it on YouTube. You're on YouTube. Yeah, some people don't mind it when other people dodge the camera and hide away from me. Okay, so that was just like a little side street, and then we're coming on to the main road now. This is where we had dinner last night, on this road. So that's the beach right in front. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk up this way, see what's here, hit this I think, look roundabout, and then come back down the other way. Got a lot of renovation going on there. Little shops underneath. Mini golf going on. Now opposite over here we've got the H10 Salou Princess. So I'm just going to stop the camera across the road and start filming from the other side. So okay, so across the road, I'm not risking vlogging while I'm walking across the road and getting run over. Oh, no video is worth that. So if you want to check out other stuff I've filmed, I've been here, I've done the main streets, I've been to Cambrils. I've filmed beach walks, I've filmed the headland walk. So when I get back to the UK, which will be in a few days, I will put a playlist together and you can go and check that whole playlist out. A lot of sleepy birds here, all chilling out in the shade. So I'm just trying to film as much as I can while I'm here. Get my steps in. Just got over 20,000 steps in the other day. All of us. Some of these places only open up in the evening, so we're not bothered about the breakfast or lunch trade. So I've come on holiday with my mum this time, so having a short break. She doesn't want to be on camera, but she's just walking over there on the other side of the road. So when she watches this video, she won't be happy. Why have you got me on the camera? What I'll do, I'll just reach the bottom and then walk back up onto this and just show you the bars and restaurants just on the other side of the road. So if you wonder why I'm not panning across, I'm going to just walk back up on myself. I will just quickly spin round. That's where I had dinner last night at the steakhouse. Danny boy. Not open yet. Open later. Flower of Scotland. So right in front of us is the big water fountain, and that on the other side of that is the beach. So I'm just going to cross over this roundabout, so I'll stop while I'm crossing over. So let's carry on just on the other side of the street now. Like I've said on some of the other videos, if you do have any recommendations, do leave them in the comment section below. And one thing I have realised, which I hadn't realised previously, a couple of people have commented, most of my people who watch my stuff, 70% almost, watch it on a TV, on the smart, one of these smart TVs, and not on a phone or a laptop, which is interesting. And I don't think you can leave a comment on a telly, so if you're watching it on a telly, hey ho, you can't leave a comment, which I didn't realise. And I think I've commented a million times already. There's so many of these sweet shops all selling exactly the same sweets. It's ridiculous. Slush the sweets. All selling exactly the same stuff. Went in that guy's shop last night to get a quote for a t-shirt I wanted. So it started off at €44. And as I was looking out, it dropped to 18 instantly. There you go, and this is where I had half a roast chicken last night. Steakhouse. It were alright, now it's special, but we filled the gap. Yeah, I've not seen that many mobility scooters since I've been here, but there's been a few. Not as many as Benidorm or Tenerife for that reason. So there you have it. If you like this kind of content, why not give me a thumbs up, show a little bit of love to the channel. If you want to see more of my ramblings as I'm travelling on my jollies, you can click that subscribe button. That's free, by the way. Don't cost you nothing to subscribe. I know some people think it's a subscription. I think it's not. It just means my stuff will come up in your feed a bit more often, and you'll see a bit more of my content. That's all. So I would appreciate that. Show the channel a little bit of love, and yeah. Quite enjoy making these videos, so why not share them if you've got family and friends coming to this area, want to know what it looks like. Long time since I've been here, so it's completely changed. So share your videos if you know someone who's coming. Thanks for watching if you've got this far, and I'll catch you on the next one.